Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your OK app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on here, messages and notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down, come here to select friends to not receive notifications from about birthday here, birthdays, click on it. So then here can you here can you select friends. When you click on select friends, I have no friends here, but if you have them, can you find it in this list to select friends whose birthdays you don't want to be notified about. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.